What's going on, everyone? I'm back here with a pretty nifty unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Saramonic Wireless Lavalier Microphone system for digital cameras, camcorders, as well as I believe you can use it with smartphones and tablets as well, which is pretty cool. And this is the SR-WM4C model, for those of you wondering. And I did pick this up off of B&H Photo for about, I think it was an even $100. And basically it just comes with a transmitter and receiver system as well as a microphone, so you can have a speaker or whatever be able to hear you on your video. And again, this could be used with a smartphone or a camera, that if you happen to want to use it for a YouTube video, which I actually may end up starting to do so I can get a little bit better audio quality for my videos. Well, anyway, we'll just see how that works out. But anyway, so that's what the front looks like. Pretty basic looking packaging. Here is the back, kind of some of the specifications. So here's that. If you guys want to pause the video here, that's totally fine, and take a look at this. So these are some of the specs for the transmitter, and then here are some of the specifications for the receiver. And it does use a standard 3.5 millimeter audio jack connection to transmit the audio from the receiver to your actual camera or recording device. So that's good. So it's using a universal connection. So let's go ahead and take it open here. And again, I did cut the tape already, so it just makes it a little easier to open on camera. Okay, so here we have the instruction booklet. It's more of a quick start guide, I believe. So yeah, and it also, if you want to buy it separately, you can buy an external handheld microphone if you prefer to use one of those. So it's pretty cool that it does support that. So if you want to order one of those, you can certainly do so. Okay, so and then we have the warranty card. That's anything special there. Okay, here it is. So let's start over here. So right here is the lavalier microphone itself that you clip onto your shirt, and it does have a little clip installed, so you can clip it to your shirt, your collar, whatever, wherever you want to clip it. Should work just fine. And then we have the antennas for the devices, so you can get a good signal. And it's kind of interesting that the antennas are removable. But I actually like that, because then you can remove them when you're storing them, such as in here, so they don't get damaged or snapped off. So that's really, really good. Okay, so over here we have, I believe this is the transmitter. Yeah, so this is the transmitter. This is what you would connect or have on your belt, or basically this is what would be connected to anything that you're wanting to transmit the audio from. So on this side you have your frequency selector, so you have A, B, C, and D. Then on the front here you have your microphone input, the power indicator, and that microphone, or excuse me, not microphone, the antenna jack that screws on and off there. And then you have your belt clip here, which is also removable. Anyway, so that's the transmitter. And then below the transmitter you have that standard 3.5 millimeter cable that I was talking about, that allows you to connect the receiver to your camera to grab that audio signal. And then below that we have a replacement belt clip if you need to have a second one of those. Alright, so right here we have the receiver. So this one has similar controls to the other one. So you have the 4 frequency controls there, the power switch, as well as this one has an audio output, which you need to output the audio being received to your camera. And then you have an LED indicator letting you know if it's on or off. Then on the front here you have microphone sensitivity, so you can turn the microphone sensitivity up or down depending on your needs. Then you have a headphone jack, which is a super nice feature to have. Not many receivers have this, and basically what this allows you to do is monitor your incoming audio as you're recording it, so you can make sure the audio is clean and clear. And then on the bottom, instead of this one having a belt clip, it has a hot shoe mount that you can quickly attach to your camera's hot shoe to mount it on your camera. Quick and easy. Or, as you can see, it has a tripod mount if you want to put it on a tripod with a 1/4 inch screw size. So that's really cool. And again, this part is removable if you want to do that. And you can, I guess, also put this extra belt clip on there if you want to put this receiver onto your a second person or whatever. I'm not sure why you'd want to do that, but anyway, I guess you could. But anyway, and then that's basically it. But on the bottom of both receiver and transmitter, you have this little pinching door here, which is where you put two AA batteries that power the devices into right there. So, but yeah, it's a really cool device. It's something that I think anybody that does video work, having a pair of lavalier microphones or anything like that is a super good tool to have. I will put a link in the description below if any one of you are interested in picking this device up. Again, I believe it was $100 even off of the B&H Photo website. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed and kind of thought it was helpful. Hit the subscribe button down below. It is really greatly appreciated. Hit that like button as well. That is also much appreciated and lets me know you guys are enjoying my content. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or anything like that, drop them down below and I'll try to help you guys the best as I can. So, yeah, with that all being said, hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.